Welcome back, everybody. I'm Bryan Diehl, and I'm going to take you on another little side trip to a secret place less than an hour from our home here in Port Ludlow. Down 101, almost to Brinnon, you'll find Rocky Brook Falls, just off the highway. Pretty nice little hike up, real short. So there it is, the rugged Rocky Brook Falls off Highway 101, almost to Brinnon. I hope you'll get a chance to visit. Once again, I'm Bryan Diehl. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of this sort of content. Thanks again for watching.